Hi, I'm Kirby.
I'm Dana.
And we are
Migratory Nerds. It's time for our latest adventure. Let's get exploring.
All right, so let's talk about some ways to save money on your Walt Disney World vacation. It's going to be expensive.
Yeah, it's going to be expensive.
It's going to be expensive, but here's a few ways to make it not so crazy expensive.
Yeah.
First one, if you have the luxury of flexible dates and you can sort of pick the times that you can come. Now, again, not everybody's going to have that luxury, but if you do, that I think is the biggest way to save money.
I think so.
Is if you can travel in off-peak times.
Yep.
Not school vacations, not that kind of breaks. If you have that, that's going to save you the most money. To be able to sort of look for when the deals are and to look specifically, especially when you're looking at hotel rooms, to look specifically for deals, right? Avoiding the, look at a crowd calendar. There's a lot of companies that make Disney crowd calendars. I don't have a preference. They don't always agree, but they always agree at the busiest times.
And it's not when you think. The summers here in Florida are so miserably hot that it is actually off-peak time. So sometimes you can get really great deals in the summer.
We had a great deal this past summer at, they were running a Disney Plus subscriber deal, but they also had a Florida resident deal that we ended up at like Pop Century for like $100 a night.
Yeah, it was awesome.
In summer, because that's less peak time. So you're looking to avoid holidays, run Disney events, seasonal events like Halloween.
Christmas are huge. One of like the best times I think to come is late August.
Yes, after school goes back in Florida and not Labor Day weekend. Yeah.
That's one of those great times. So yeah, just keep your eyes open and try for a crowd calendar. Look at Run Disney, which is when they do their marathons. Don't come during a marathon because they have picked off peak, or it used to be off-peak times to have marathons. People spend buco bucks to be in these marathons, and then they can charge people buco bucks to stay at the hotels. So, yeah, if you can, be flexible.
Yep. Another great way looking at hotel rates is if you have recently stayed, to book your next trip on a bounce back offer. And I don't think Disney does a great job of telling you that this exists.
I think that may be on purpose.
It's definitely on purpose, but basically from when you check out of your previous stay, you have like a week.
I think it's 7 days.
They don't also tell you this. We found this out by mistake after our Pop Centuries. You can just book online. If you use the same like My Disney Experience login that you use to book your previous stay, the bounce back, that's what they call it, or that's what they used to call it.
I don't think they call it that anymore, but it's the same difference.
Is automatically shown as one of your rates. So like we called, you knew I wanted a deal if I got on the phone. And we called to book some stays after our Pop Century stay, and then I was looking online just by happenstance and noticed that they just showed up on your account. So that's a great way to save. I'll pull, our Fort Wilderness stay is in March of 2026. I'll pull what we're paying and what the current rate is, and I'll throw that on here so you can see. All right, anything else about flexible dates and hotel deals?
No, that was the big one.
Big.
That's the big
That's going to save you the most money.
Everything else is like picking up pennies, but if you're picking up pennies and you can buy your kid a popcorn at the end of the day, great.
Great. All right, so first of those is to bring a reusable water bottle.
Yeah, you're going to want to do that anyway. It's hot here.
Right, regardless of whether you're saving money or not, you should bring a reusable water bottle, because even if you spend $4.50 plus on a water from Disney in August, 5 minutes after you get it, it's going to be warm. Because it's so hot out.
It's so hot.
But Disney has a lot of places you can fill that up. Any quick service restaurant will fill it up for you, or give you water to fill it up. So
and if you can find the freestyle machines, you can use those for water without.
Yeah, any place that has them, you can fill that up. Yeah. So same thing, either if you have a car, to stop at a local grocery store to purchase snacks or inexpensive breakfasty items. Hi, Norman. Things like that. Or
a lot of the car services will also build in like a 30-minute stop at Publix. So you can get drinks, snacks, breakfasty items are great to have in your room. And that'll just save you a little bit of money.
Yeah, Uber or Lyft also will let you add a stop. So if you don't book like a car service through any of those, you can do Uber or Lyft and have a stop at a grocery store.
And you can also do like Uber Eats. They'll pick up food.
Instacart, any of those. Amazon, all of those.
Yeah,
will deliver.
they'll do that from grocery stores, I think, convenience stores.
Yeah. So that's another way to just have some things to carry around with you. All right. Next one is to share meals.
Yes.
Or get kids meals. So like as a way to, right, the portions for the quick service meals,
they're pretty big.
They're pretty big, or you're going to snack your way around Disney. So if you want to have room for the Gaston cinnamon roll, maybe share your chicken nugget lunch.
We can easily share an adult quick service meal. Easily.
Yeah, and sometimes when I went...
table service meals, definitely you
Yes,
can
if
share.
you're not at a prefixed menu location, you're stuck paying that. But if you're at a place with entrees, you could share food at a sit down as well. Or if you're like by yourself or off. When I used to go by myself, I would get a kids meal sometimes. It's cheaper and
they don't charge you for kids meals.
Speaking of sit down dining, if you are going to do a sit down dining meal, look to do it at like breakfast or lunch because the menus are less expensive, right?
It's consistently less expensive for breakfast or lunch. Character dining is always going to be more expensive. So if you're looking to save money, avoid character dining, or you could do character dining.
Do breakfast character dining or lunch character dining instead of dinner character dining. And again, look for deals for some of that. So they had a pass holder deal during the summer for certain, again, because summer is slow time, certain sit-down quick service meals. It was like 40% off.
Yeah, it was great.
And we did Whispering Canyon for brunch at 40% off. And then it was the less expensive menu, and it was 2 meals for us. Like we didn't eat again until dinner. This is another way.
Another thing that's not on our list, but about table service dining, the harder it is to get to the restaurant, for most people, the less expensive the price point is going to be. So if you have to go to a park from your hotel to get back on a bus to a hotel that you can access only by a bus, that restaurant is going to be cheaper than if you're at Magic Kingdom and you get on a monorail to get to one of those hotels. You can get a fun sit-down special meal and play around with price if you're a little bit more adventurous.
Yeah. Another thing back to sort of hotels is to do what people call a split stay.
Yeah.
So if you are looking to splurge a little, you can stay a few nights at a deluxe and then a few nights at a moderate. Or
I've always dreamed of staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Stay there for 1 or 2 nights and stay at the pub for the rest of the nights. Or the All-Stars.
Right.
You know? That way you can get a little bit of both worlds. I think that's fun.
Yeah, and we come to this later in our list, but right now, and I don't know if this will extend into 2026, but right now Disney's doing water park admission complimentary on your check-in day. So if you did a split stay, you would get that on each of your check-in days.
That's true. I didn't think about that.
Something I don't know if that will continue next year, but if there are deals related to stays, you would get those for each of the stays. So pace yourself. It's a great way. If you're coming for 7 days, do not buy 7-day park hoppers. You will regret it on day 4.
I would suggest not doing a park hopper at all. It's not the same as Disneyland, where you literally just walk across a courtyard.
My favorite part about Disneyland.
It is a whole big rigmarole to get from park to park.
That's not on the list of saving money. Don't get a park hopper.
Don't get a park hopper.
Yeah.
And don't do parks for 7 days. If you're coming for 7 days, you will be so exhausted. Build in days to hang out at the pool, or if you have the free admission to the water park, go to the water park and just chill out.
See a movie at Disney Springs.
Yeah.
Walk around Disney Springs. Do a sit-down meal at a resort on a non-park day. Do a half pool day, half, resort hopping. We love resort hopping, right? Get on the monorail, go around, take the Skyliner, look at all the resorts. Less impact than doing 7 straight park days.
Yes. And at $150 or more a park ticket per person.
It's another big,
That's a big price point that you could be saving some money.
Bring or buy your own stroller once you get here. I know we don't have kids, but I have seen, right, you kind of take your stroller's life in your hands when you gate check it at an airplane.
Yeah.
But if you're gonna stop at a convenience store on the way here, right, buying a $20, single stroller and then just abandoning it after your week is cheaper than renting one at $15 a day for a single or $31 for a double as of 2025 pricing. So if you only needed a day, that's better. And then there's also a lot of like Facebook and social media groups that are like not even buy, like if you join a Pop Century Facebook group, a lot of times people are posting, I'm checking out today and we have a half a case of water left and a stroller, and it's like an exchange. So that's a way to sort of, instead of even buying the stroller, maybe somebody just bought one and they're leaving it behind. That kind of thing. So that's another way to get some supplies without...
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay, next one.
Oh, if you have the Disney Visa, which I think is Chase Morgan.
Yeah, I think
it doesn't matter. If you have the Disney Visa, points. You can use points to pay for your hotel. You can use points to pay for your meals. You can use points to pay for your merchandise. And a lot of times they'll give you an additional discount if you use your Chase
the Disney Visa
or points, I think.
Yeah, and there's a few like exclusive Disney Visa cardholder like character meet and greets. That doesn't save you any money, but like the special thing. But yes, that's a great.
And if you're a frequent Disney person, great.
Maybe look at that Visa,
look at that card
as a way to save up.
Pay for your plumbing with your card, and then you get points, and you can have a free meal.
Yeah,
free meal. But it's the same thing. We use points for Marriott, and it's the same deal.
Right.
It's the same
whatever
idea.
whatever you do as your fun most travel thing, look at that. They probably have a rewards card.
Yeah, definitely.
Don't rent a car.
I would. Yeah, you don't need
price out renting a car depending on what you're doing. Right. If you're doing just Disney and you're never leaving Disney property, probably don't need to rent a car. Right. You can take.
If you're doing Disney 5 out of the 6 days that you're here and you're doing 1 day at Universal, it's cheaper to get an Uber for 1 day
instead of paying to park at Universal and having the rental car. If you're doing a lot of stuff outside of Disney property, then price it out. Maybe renting a car makes more sense. But if you're like, we're only focusing on Disney, or 90% of it is, it's just cheaper to take the Mears Connect or a Uber to Disney.
And even if you needed to rent a car for like 1 or 2 days of your Disney stay, there is a car center on property where you could do that. So you don't need to have a car for all the days of your stay, and that would save you some money.
Yeah. Now we're back to the water park admission on check-in that I mentioned earlier. And again, that was a 2025 perk, but it seemed really, really popular and from all the things we've seen, and so maybe that'll be something they continue in 2026 and beyond. Or if they don't do that, like look for whatever those sort of special free add-ons that they're going to do. It might not be that, but check that there isn't something else that they've done in the future. But definitely take advantage of that.
You're gonna want to buy stuff, a t-shirt that has Mickey Mouse on it or whatever. Your kids are gonna find a thing that they need every
12 seconds.
Every 12 seconds. So it's a good idea to buy souvenirs before you even get to Disney. Then you can like pack them in your luggage, and then in the morning, surprise, everyone has matching t-shirts. There are plenty of places that you can get them. A lot of places you might not be shopping at right now. So depending on how you feel about the world at the moment. But Etsy is a really great place to get things that are very unique or personalized. So if you wanted to get matching t-shirts with you and your family, but everyone has their name on it or whatever, their favorite character, that's a really good place to look. And it's going to be equivalent or cheaper, I think, through Etsy than the Disney parks.
And if you're doing that shopping when you get to Orlando, like at a local Publix or grocery store, they will have Disney merchandise.
Oh yeah.
So like
The
you
Publix
can get
and
those
Walmarts
stores right by Disney will have some Disney merch.
They'll have Disney merch. They'll have, even if it's like a grocery store, they'll probably have strollers.
Buy your ponchos there. Don't buy them at Disney.
Exactly.
Right. Buy that kind of thing there. Save you some money, and then you still have souvenirs. And then you can get the one or two like really unique to your Disney at Disney.
Yeah.
Thanks. All right. Last one. This might be controversial for people who like photos, but skip the photo pass.
I think so.
I think it's expensive. Any place you go that has a photo pass photographer,
they will take photos for you with your own camera, your own phone.
The only thing you wouldn't get is the ride photos.
But you know what? If you're on the ride and they take a photo of you, you can have that linked to your Disney account. If it is the best photo of your family that you have ever seen,
it won't be.
But if it is, you can buy that photo.
Yeah.
You can, but I would not suggest getting the photo package unless it's like something really super duper special going on.
Yeah, and if
I don't
you
think
have
it's worth it.
Buy Lightning Lane for the day, you get the photo pass with it.
That's true.
So like
and I think some of the parties,
I looked it up. I looked it up. The parties don't that at Disneyland. They did when we did Oogie Boogie Bash. It came with photo pass. It does not. That I looked up for the parties at Disney World so far.
Check ahead. Sometimes they do.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's worth it.
No. We've had some fun photos, but like you can take it with the cast member.
Yeah.
Or some other nice tourist will take it for you.
Definitely.
I apparently look like I take really good photos because I often get stopped and people ask me to take their photo.
You're walking around.
I'm usually walking around with a camera, so that's fair.
Like, she must know what she's doing.
That's fair. Anything else on saving money?
I don't think so. But if you have any more ideas, please leave it in the comments for us.
We love saving money.
Or for other people.
All right, I'm Kirby.
I'm Dana.
And we are Migratory Nerds. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified when all of our new videos drop. Bye.